in this video, we would like to share with you guys what are physical quantities. Physical quantities are anything that can be measured. As we know, we deal with physical quantities in our daily life, such as length, mass, and time. For your information, physical quantities are classified into two types. The first one are basic quantities. Basic quantities are the basic physical quantities and cannot be derived from other physical quantities, such as length, time, and mass. The second one are derived quantities. Derived quantities are the physical quantities that can be derived from two or more basic quantities. It's constructed by combination of several of basic quantities, such as velocity, pressure, and force. So now, let's see the example of basic quantities and derived quantities. Now, let's go to the next part.
So we have an overview on this topic, which is physical quantities and unit conversion. Let's recap. So how do we convert a unit? Okay, so the answer is, of course, we use the conversion factor. So what is the conversion factor? Conversion factor is a number that has two different units that allows you to go from one unit to another unit. That means you can convert the unit using that number. Okay, for example, if we go from kilogram to gram. Okay, so let's see the application of unit conversion and physical quantities in this example.
Calculate the density in grams per milliliter of aluminum with a volume of 0.6 cubic centimeter and a mass of 4.6 milligrams. You're going to have two different givens. We have the 4.6 milligrams and 0.6 cubic centimeters. Since we are solving for density, we have a formula for that. Our mass divided by our volume, but specifically we want the unit to be grams per milliliter. Step 1 is taking our milligrams and converting them to grams. Our given was 4.6 milligrams, always aligning the milligrams across from one another so they can then cancel. Milligrams cancel. We now are left with 4.6 times 10 to the negative third grams. Step 2, we'll take our cubic centimeters and convert them to milliliters. That 0.6 cubic centimeters then gets aligned with our conversion factor of 1 cubic centimeter to 1 milliliter. Cubic centimeters cancel. Multiply straight across, we'll get 0.6 milliliters. And our last step is just to divide our grams divided by our milliliters. So step 1 divided by step 2, we'll end up getting grams per milliliter.
So disclaimer, the video that I just showed is from YouTube, from Melissa Maribel. Okay, you can check her out.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurnabiha Amni Binti Abdul Halim, and I'm from TSF2. My metric number is 1202563. So today, I would like to share with you a question regarding physical quantities and unit conversion. Here the question. A certain car has a mass of 1920 kilogram. How many tons is that? As we know, 1 kilogram equal to 2.2 pounds. And we also know that 1 ton equal to 2,000 pounds. So, how do we do it? Firstly, we take the 1920 kilogram and we want to cancel out the kilogram first, and we must put the kilogram at the bottom, and at the top we put 2.2 pounds. Just like this. Yeah. And then we want it to be in tons, right? So we must put the 2,000 pounds at the bottom and 1 ton at the top. So we can cancel out this and just time the three equation. We get 2.112 tons. That's it. You see, right?
The industry use propane as a raw material for making plastic and other compound. The density of propane is 36.28 pound per feet cube. Convert this to kilogram per meter cube. It's given 1 pound equal to 454 gram and 1 E to 2.54 centimeter. Okay, first we need to know what he want to convert. We want to convert this to this unit. Okay, next we need to plan what unit that we want to convert. Like this, we want to convert pound into gram and then into kilogram. After that, we want to convert feet cube into inch cube into centimeter cube and into meter cube. After we list it, we know what we need to convert first. Okay. Okay, we start with 36.28 pound over feet cube times with, we want to convert it to gram. So if you want to cancel pound, we need to, if pound at the top and then now we want to cancel it, we put pound at the bottom. Okay, 1 pound we need to convert it to gram, and then 1 pound we know that 454 gram. Okay, then we can cancel pound. Next, okay, so we have convert this. Okay, next we want to convert it to kilogram. To convert to kilogram, we want to cancel gram. So if gram at the top, we put gram at the bottom to cancel it. Okay, we know 1 kilogram equal to, we see at this table, we know that kilo is power of 3. So we put 10 of power of 3. Next, we can cancel out gram. Then we have convert it to kilogram. Okay, next we want to convert it to feet into meter cube. Okay. First, we put we want to cancel feet. We know feet at the bottom and we want to cancel it. We put feet at the top. And we want to convert it into inch. Feet into inch equal to 12 inch. 1 feet equal to 12 inch. But we know we have the cube, so we must cube it. Then we can cancel feet. Okay, now we have settled this. Then we have to convert inch to centimeter. We have to put inch at the top because we want to cancel it. And then we put centimeter at the bottom. Okay. We know 1 inch equal to 2.54. And then because it have a cube, it also have a cube. And then we can cancel it. Then we have done this. Now we want to convert centimeter to meter cube. When centimeter at the bottom, we put centimeter at the top to cancel it and put meter at the down. Okay, we know that 1 centimeter, centi is 10 power of negative 2. 10 power of negative 2. And we cube it, so we can cancel it. Then we have done this. Now it's the answer 58.1.67 kilogram per meter cube.
Okay, next, let's say we want to convert 30 meter per second to kilometer per hour. Firstly, we need to write the question like this. So, how can we do so? Well, we need to convert meters to kilometers. We know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. And then we need to convert seconds into hours. So we know that there's 60 seconds in a minute and 60 minutes in an hour. So this is a 3-step process. It's always helpful to write out the conversion factors that you need. And once you have that, you could just convert from one thing to another. So let's start with 30 meters per second. Notice that the unit meters goes on top and over 1 second. Now, let's convert meters to kilometers. And we know that there's 1000 meters per 1 kilometer. So we need to put the unit meters on the bottom, kilometer on top. So this will cancel. So let's convert seconds into minutes using the conversion factor. So we have the unit seconds on the bottom. We need to put it on top, so 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. And now let's convert minutes into hours using this conversion factor. There's 60 minutes in 1 hour. So the unit minutes and seconds will cancel. Now notice the units that we have left over. Kilometer per hour, which is what we want. Now let's do the math. So it's going to be 30 times 60 times 60 divided by 1000. So we get 108 km per hour.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Nurul Iman. Let's see question number 5 for unit conversion. The question is, a solid piece of copper has a mass of 41.924 gram and a volume of 4.7 centimeter cube. Calculate the density of copper in SI units. This question asks us to find the density of copper, as we know that the formula of density is mass over volume. The information given is mass of copper is 41.924 gram and volume of copper is 4.7 centimeter cube. But the question asks us to give the final answer in SI units, which is SI unit for gram is kilogram and SI unit for centimeter cube is meter cube. How we want to convert this unit? First, convert gram to kilogram. We know that 1 kilogram equivalent to 1000 gram or 10 cube. We will use this technique to convert. 41.924 gram multiplied with 1 kilogram divided by 1000 gram. We can cancel this 2 gram and we can solve this equation. 41.924 multiplied with 1 kilogram, then divided with 1000, and we will get the conversion answer, which is 0.0419 kilogram. Secondly, same goes to centimeter cube, convert to meter cube. We know that 1 meter equivalent to 100 centimeter or 10 square. Using the same technique, 4.7 centimeter multiplied with 1 centimeter multiplied with 1 centimeter multiplied with 1 meter divided with 100 centimeter also 3 times. This is because we have centimeter cube and meter cube. Then we can cancel all these 3 centimeter and solve this equation. And we can get the conversion answer, which is 4.7 times 10 power of negative 6 meter cube. Now we had convert all the unit. Last step is we can calculate the density of copper. Density equal to mass over volume. 0.0419 kilogram divided with 4.7 times 10 power of negative 6 meter cube. And we can get our final answer, which is 8.91 times 10 power of 3 kilogram per meter cube. So that's how you answer question for unit conversion. That's all from me. Thank you.